Pranam Bharat. Friends, on this feast day of Our Lady of Guadalupe, in this liturgy of the hours, in the evening prayer, we have a beautiful hymns. And I want to invite you to join that hymn with a special music and vocals, all from the uses of human intelligence. God bless you.
How Our Lady's brightness shines beyond the jasmine dark and fair. In her divisions melt away, preparing us for boundless love. She is the river we the thirst. She is the star and we the rays. She is the ship and we the net. We are her servants. She the queen.